It's never been sweeter with Dunkin'. Hello highlighters, it's Leo and Paul here. See you on May 25, SM MOA Arena for the fan meet of Casey and TJ Monterde. At sabay-sabay tayong kiligin at kumanta ng palagi. At finally, natikman na namin yung pistachio chocolate donut ni Dunkin'. 2 different days and 2 branches actually to at umuulan pa na pumunta kami sa pangalawang branch. Kasi you know the drill highlighters, hindi tayo nagpapahuli. At syempre, alam niyo naman alipin tayo ng mga papel, di ba? So, in able to get this one, you need to purchase Combo 2 or the Palagi bundle, which consists of a large iced coffee and premium donut, and 3 photo cards to collect. And how was the pistachio chocolate donut pala ni Dunkin'? Grabe sobrang pinagkaaguluhan nito, laging ubos. Ang masasabi ko lang dito, for sure, babalik-balikan mo rin siya tulad niya. Uy, hindi siya ganong katamis. Mas nangingibabaw yung pagka-chocolate niya. Though medyo pricey because of the raw mats used, pero sulit na rin to try this donut. It's soft, chewy, and may crunch rin dahil sa pistachio nuts. It's definitely worth a try, highlighters. Kayo, kamusta? Natikman niyo na ba at may photocard na?